Explore position na. Tuesday basketball. Fake underneath pass. Nice pass baseline. Wala. Quick rebound by number 20.
Ay, grabe, Bolander. Point guard.
Anti-whistle. Traveling violation. Balik ang bola sa Tuesday.
Tuesday Papawis.
Uy, legit ka yan. Point guard ka yan. Idol ko yan, nung bata pa ako.
Eh ngayon?
Eh ngayon, bata pa rin ako. Jake, underneath pass na naman. Pero nakuha ni ko ang bola. Up. Pass to number 19. Attack. Tumama sa rin. Rebound. Another 14. So Jake. Uy! Grabe naman na. 100 ball. Itira sa 3. Shooter yan. 3 points. Number 19. Metro Rano. May patak na yan. Arjona. Pastor. David. David at kaliwa. Napakaswerte naman tira nyo. BMT move by David. BMT move. Bahala na tira. Number 6, Lial. Wala. Who's rebound? 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Point guard plato si Yoto Arjola. Pinasakay ko pero napunta ang bola kay Lial.
Malambot pa.
Lial attacking the basket. Meron tayong foul. Not basket yan. Hintayin natin ang referee. Holding foul by seconds to shoot.
Ano yung starting yan Monday? Anong Friday?
Sunod lang, another 3. Wala, rebound by Arjona. Grabe, referee na, rebounder pa. Pasal pa kay David. David, bahala na din ulit. Pinasakay Koboy. Koboy, umikot, tumira. Wala, rebound by. Puro kalbo to ah.
Kalbo na.
Kanan lang po ang mata ko eh. 40 seconds to shoot and there's a foul. Foul number 0, that is number 20, that is your first and second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Joke lang yun ha. Kailangan medyo masaya tayo. Kalbo. Inasakay Kalbo. Medyo ano tumira sa twist. Wala. Rebound. Ball. Sabi. Balik ang bola sa Tuesday, number 17, attack, shoot, 2 points by number 17. 5-2 ang ating running score. Legit Bolander, hindi lang referee. David. Legit tayo point guard. Number 28, Garuday. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to Belgrano. Back to Jake. 10 seconds to shoot. Jake, pass to number 24, and there is always a ikaw pass, 14 seconds to shoot. The Koboy.
Oh, yung block lang.
10 seconds to shoot.
Sino nagre-rep? Sino nagko-coach?
Shot clock, down to 5.
Kanino?
Tumama. Another 14. Kay number 80, tumira, wala. Rebound by Lian. Ito ka malalaban kay Lian. Pass to Lian, and down Lian. 10 seconds, underneath pass to number 24. Shot clock, down to 5. Stolen by Arjona.
Kain na.
Arjona, pass to David. David, spin move. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Lian. Discarded daw, sabi ng yung teammate. Number 6, Lial. Lose the ball and stolen by Koboy. Bagong gapit, pinasa kay Arjona. Back. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 20, attacking the defense and shoot. Hindi tumama. Rebound by number 3. Wala. Shot clock down to 5. Time out! Paano ba? Ano ba ang kategori o boss ka sa Miss of the Night? Royal. Traveling na rin sa Baylial. And send ball tayo, last shot Baylial. 20 seconds to shoot. Uy, layo ng tres na yan. Airball. Tatlong 3 points si Idol. 14 seconds to shoot. Cowboy, receive. 10 seconds to shoot. Cowboy, pinasa, Adonic, 5 seconds to shoot. Bola na, Tuesday. 5 ang kalamangan. 5 point lead by Tuesday, 1 minute and 30. Lial, pasa in the middle to number 24, masyadong malakas. Another 14 by Lial, and there is a whistle. Number 0 attack, short, getting his own wrist in the corner. 14 seconds to shoot. To Arjona, 10 seconds to shoot. 40 seconds sa ating game clock. Wala pa rin, and there's a whistle. Disconcerting yan. As to Cowboy. Rebound. Idol Texan. Si Idol Neil. Underneath pass to Yabot, hindi nakuha bola. Napunta kay Job, ang bola nagbababa. Job in the middle. Pick up pass. Ang labo ng numero nyo, number 18. 14 seconds to shoot. To Job. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 18. And at 3 seconds. Balik ang bola sa squad 40. Ganda ng pangalan ng team na to, squad 40. No? Tuesday 40.
Karama Thunders pa rin ako.
Leo. Crossover. 14 seconds to shoot with Texon. Hindi na rin makita kasi na ako ng bola underneath. And there is a jump ball. Tuesday ball tayo. Tuesday ball tayo. Tuesday ball. Jump ball tayo. Ay, idol ko rin yan. Pass to number 18. To number 10, Job. Ano yung pinasa? A-side jumper. Wala, rebound by Yabot. Kahit hindi ka na tumalon. Nakitiksin ngayon ang bola. Nagbaba. In the middle floater. 2 points by Texon. Change favor tayo. 14-13. Number 7. Ay, number 3. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 11, Monica, jumper. Wala, rebound by number 4. To Texon. Texon. Kick out pass. Sa kalaban. To number 18. Wala nang bumaba. Easy layup na yan. Play pa. Kahit nakapikit ako, pasok yan. Pasok yan. James Favor ulit. Number 9, Douglas for 3. Wala. Rebound by Texon. 10 seconds to shoot. To Neil. Neil attack. Lays up. What a nice move by Neil. 16-20. Palitan lang ng kalamangan. Squad 40. Lead by 1. Number 3. Pick up pass to Job. Job for 3. Almost. Was rebound. Yabot. Karagula to Texon. Texon. Attack, and there's a whistle. In the middle again, pass 2, number 3. Number 3, stopping down, Evo. Rebound by Texon, pass 2, Ning. Number 47, pass to Douglas, basic shot. Time out! Number 3. At number 3. Pass to Job. 14 seconds in Job. Stopping Job. Ang laki ng bantay. Rebound ng Yabot. Uy, kahit hindi na tumalog si Idol. Texon, nagmamadali. Umatake. Stalling by Manikat. O, ayan o. 1-on-1. Job versus number 33. Stopping Job. Almost. Put back by Manikat. As number 3. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 3. Jumper, good. Another 14. Wala. 10 seconds to shoot. Manikat ni jumper. Sure goal yan by Manikat. 1 point lead by squad 40 pa rin. 4 minutes and 15. Awal. Ingin boleh. 14 seconds to shoot. And there's a whistle. Yabot receive the ball. Kitang-kitang papasahan niya. 10 seconds to shoot. Jumper by ng point. Hindi tumama. Set up down to 5. 3 minutes and 30 sa ating second quarter. Yes, sir. Number 3, calling a play.
Dari ka palo.
Good job. Job attacking the baseline. Pick up pass to Manikat. Jumper. In and out. Rebound by Dixon. Ball tayo ng block. Dixon almost losing the control. Kuyabot again. Uy! Tumira pa sa kiyan. 3 minutes. Maragol. Basta ka pambang. 13 seconds to shoot. Rebounds by number 18. Tabla tayo. Deadlock tayo. All 33. Time out. Dali lang. Foul number 10, Job. Siyempre, hindi na walang pang. Wala pa rin yung si Douglas. Meron tayong foul. Foul number 33, Yabot, that is your first foul. Second team foul, squad 40. Two minutes sa ating second quarter. Job. 14 seconds to shoot. Tumanikat. Stop and jump. With a challenge. Wala. Rebound by Neil. Neil. Crossover. Napakabilis din Neil eh. Batang-bata. Meron tayong foul. Number 13. And second personal foul. Penalty tayo rin. Penalty tayo rin. Scoring by number 19. Number 3. Left leg up. Supply. Rebound by Neil. 50 seconds sa ating game clock. Neil, wala, hindi nagkain bugad. Manikat, attack pass in the baseline. To number 3, lucky bounce. 25 seconds sa ating game clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Douglas for 3. Tumama. Seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Second personal foul ka na ha. Yabot. Technical free throw plus ball possession. Wala na tayong shot clock. Time out. Sabi ko ba isa? Isa pa sila. Time out, time out. Time out, Tuesday. Hindi, bola ng ano, Tuesday. Same ball possession. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Ayan, 5 seconds siya. Wala nang oras, mga kaibigan.
Just click the button. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. Subscribe.
Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and likes and watch our another videos. So, stay tuned. Follow us guys. See ya next time.
Bye.
God bless. Bye.